Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Unique Mix by Christina. Today I have an exciting package. It's KSCrafts July Release for the Halloween. And you know me, I love Halloween. So let's go ahead and get into this package and see what I got. I did do some samples and I'll show you those also. So let's see what's in here. Look at all this goodness. Now I did cut some of the dies, not all of them. I will be doing some more. But I did do a few. But let's look at the dies that came in. That came in the July release. It's all Halloween. How nice is that? Now some of this I did already go ahead and cut. So I'll show you. I did a few, not all of them, because there's a lot of them. But this one here, the first one here, is a potion bottle. So look at these. So you do get you get two different sizes. You get a medium and a bigger one, and you get the outer, and you get the outer piece, and then the liner piece. And then you do got some little extras. Look at that. How nice are those? You got those. I haven't cut those yet. Next one here is a witch's hat. And this one comes in, I believe, 6 different sizes, different kinds. So you get 6 small ones and the 6 bigger ones. Look at those. Now these are real cute for your embellishments. Look at those. Now these ones here are the words, which I did cut. I really like this. I love Halloween, but I really like that. So I did cut the words out of here. Alright. So the first one I have here is Keep It Real, Trick or Treat, Happy Hunting, If You Got It, Hunt It, If the Broom Fits, Flying It, and Witch Please. So I love. So this is those words. I got that one here. Now this one is our heart with the spider. You get also 2 different sizes, yeah. So you get the smaller one and the bigger one. And it does come with a little spider, of course the webs. And I believe this, yeah, you could do a shaker with these. So you got 2 of those. How nice are those? Now here, she got 2 spooky bag toppers. So you get the big one and the small one. Now I didn't cut these yet either. Okay, so here goes your outer bag topper. Now the words you'll take it out. This is your layering piece, and then you got the eyes out here. Look at that. And the smaller one's the same thing. You got that one. I love Halloween. The next one I have is the spider webs. And these are good for borders. You cut them all in one strip. You can cut them or use them any way you want. There's another one. And this one here is a tag and stamp. So you get 6 tags, Halloween tags, and you do get a coordinating stamp with that. How nice is that? Now this one here is, I believe, tombstones. This kit has a lot. Yeah, so you get different tombstones here. You ever get a spider web? You get the crow, the rip, and a cross on there. So that's that one. This is a witch's hat with the bow. This. Look at that. So you get two different sizes. You get the bigger and the smaller. How cute is that? It even has a buckle. That one in the kit. And then this one here is like lollipops. And you got the back piece and then you got the layering pieces there. So that's another one. I love, love, love this. I haven't cut this one, but this one is, and it'll make a box. This makes a box, or you could actually do a lot of different things. I won't open this one because it got a lot of stuff in there. But look at all the stuff that comes in there. And I will put a picture in the corner so you can see how that one looks like. And this is a coffin. Now you don't have to use a scallop part, but you can if you want. So yeah, I can't wait to use that one. You do have your rosette, and this one's is a ghosties. That's cute. This one, oh, this one was a candy box. Yeah, this one was a candy box. You got everything to make a box. It should fit like a candy bar, and it does have some extras like your bats. Even have a die for the center and whatnot. So that's another good one. This one is a mini album, and this is like the heart hands. So this will also come with the layering piece, a back piece. You even have this for you could add to the front, and it also comes with the hose already. So that's actually real nice. I was impressed with this kit. When I saw it, I had to have it. Now this one here makes Frankenstein and the bride. Look at that. So you would use the headpiece. You could make it into the Frankenstein, and then you could use her hairpiece to make the bride. And you get all the little extras. How cute is this? Cute, cute, cute. So that's that another one. Now this is, I don't have the book die for it. This is an add-on for it. I do gotta order it. But this is to add to your book die from KSCrafts. So I got all the goodness. Now this is like the book from Focus Pocus. So it gives you a lot of extra stuff in there. Like that one. Oh, this one I love, love, love. And I did cut this one. This one makes a pocket. And let me show you what I made. Look at that. This made, and it does have the little centerpiece here. So you got your reinforcement. This is on one layer. And then you got your jagged, it's another one. But look at that. How cute is it? I love it. I love it. You can make a mini album with this also. Even a tag clip. So that one is this one here. Love, love, love. This is another one that I cut, which is the pumpkins. Let me show you those. And the pumpkins here. So you get two different sizes. You get the bigger ones here. You got those. These make great embellishments. Look at that. And they also make the smaller one, and I'm missing one small one. Oh, here it goes. It's in my little pocket. Look at that. So I also keep all the little inners, the little circles, because you could always mix and match into your stuff. This kit, I love, love, love. So I will be making some more stuff. Leave a comment below on which one you would like to see me make, and I'll make a video on that. But yeah, if you love Halloween like I do, this is a kit to get. So I actually got mine on AliExpress, so it wasn't that bad for shipping and whatnot. It's free shipping because of the price. But yeah, this is my little KSCrafts Halloween amazing haul. And with that, like I said, leave a like on the video, comment below on a die if you want to see me cut or make something out of. And don't forget to hit the notification so you know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye bye.